Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw round edges in 2D and 3D AutoCAD. Go to Home tab, select Rectangle command, draw a rectangle. Select Fillet tool in the Home tab, type R for the radius, enter the radius value, select both lines. For 3D fillet, select Box in Home tab, select first point, and then select second point, now enter the height. Go to Solid tab, select 3D fillet tool, select the corner of the solid box, type R for radius, and enter the radius value. This is how you can round the corners in 2D or 3D shape in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.